Hello and welcome back to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. Today we are going to step into the aromatic haven of the Fadhili Family kitchen. And on today's menu, we are going to embark on a mouth-watering journey, the creation of a spectacular beef biryani. So here are the star players for today's dish. We have some succulent beef, grated carrots, pounded ginger and garlic, red onions, potatoes, cooking oil, condensed milk, salt, and a mix of biryani spices. Quite the lineup, isn't it? First things first, let's marinate our beef. Place your well-sliced beef in a container, add grated carrots and condensed milk, and mix thoroughly. The goal is to ensure every beef chunk enjoys the flavorful dance with the carrots and condensed milk.
From the kids, just gotta throw them away. Is it ain't working anymore? You see these toes of down and burnt. Oh yeah. So how we'll resolve it is that I not just keep on revolving. Choose our words wisely and show love more. See how we'll resolve it is that I not just keep on evolving. Something so adorning, something unbreakable. I really want you to know, revolver, really, really want you to know.
Once marinated, let's introduce some tomato paste to the mix. Stir in and let the flavors mingle. Meanwhile, on the side, fry up some whole potatoes coated in yellow food color until they reach a tempting golden perfection.
See it in our mind's eyes, but no, it's true. We gotta get it right on track. Gotta get it right on track. We gotta get our joy back. This ain't what I want. This ain't what we signed up for. It's in our midst. See it in our mind's eyes, but no, it's true. We gotta get it right on track. Gotta get it right on track.
Nunca se queda, aún se maquilla. Traje de seda siempre se me guilla. Tan elegante, brilla como diamante. Esa arrogancia me marcha adelante. No hay que la pare y le ponga barrera. Dice que está dura como mi carrera. Salvaje en la jungla como una pantera. Se lleva su presa sin ninguna espera. Si su amiga no llama y no le contesta, como quiera sale, eso nunca la afecta. Un mensaje de texto, estoy pronto llegando. Si no estás aquí, seguiré comandando. Todos mirando se llenan de ilusiones, pero le dicen la rompe corazón. Siempre se encuentran estas situaciones, pero no me importa lo que ella me impone. Mamá, te invito a bailar, que no hay tiempo para charlar. Un traguito como que nos da, todo pendiente por si te va. Ay, que está conmigo, por cómo le doy castigo. Dice que no quiere amigo, no sé si sabes lo que digo. Ay, que está conmigo, por cómo le doy castigo. Dice que no quiere amigo, no sé si sabes lo que digo. De nuevo a lo mismo me sale. Contigo me siento intocable. No sé si sabías.
Now, let's move into the cooking process. In a pot, saute diced onions in oil until they achieve that glorious golden brown. Add pounded ginger, garlic, and our biryani spice mix. Let them dance in the pot until their aromas fill the air.
Me pide que en la cama no te respete. Tu deseo te lo voy a cumplir y todo lo que quiero lo voy a conseguir. Mamá, te invito a bailar, que no hay tiempo para charlar. Un traguito como que no da, todo pendiente por si te va. De que está conmigo, por cómo le doy castigo. Dice que no quiere amigo, no sé si sabes lo que digo. De que está conmigo, por cómo le doy castigo. Dice que no quiere amigo, no sé si sabes lo que digo. Excelencia, wow. Camilo Colombia, el cambio de cultura. All day, yeah, esto es insomnio. Yeah, we killing it, G. Wow, yeah.
Get what I started. Shine a little light to your heart. But my feelings disregarded. You know it wasn't right to go this far. So how do we resolve this when the situation keeps on revolving? I've been going round the houses when I should have gone straight to your door. So how do we resolve this when our words they keep on revolving? I've been going round the houses when I should have really given you more. I really want you to know revolver, revolver. Really, really want you to know revolver, revolver. I really want you to know can't waste it over.
When the stage is set, it's time for our marinated beef to join the party. Mix it well with the cooked onions and don't forget to add a pinch of salt to taste. Our beef biryani is simmering away and we'll let it cook until the meat is tender and flavorful.
So these weapons from against us, gotta throw them away. 'Cause it ain't working anymore. You see these tools have got 'em blunt. Oh yeah. So how we'll resolve it is that our love just keep on revolving. Choose our words wisely and show love more. See how we'll resolve it is that our love just keep on evolving. Something so adorning, something unbreakable. I really want you to know revolver, revolver. Really, really want you to know revolver, revolver. I really want you to know can't waste it over, over. And you are the one, yeah. This ain't what I want, this ain't what we signed up for. This ain't I missed, see it in our mind's eyes. We know it's true, we gotta get it right on track. Gotta get it right on track, we gotta get our joy back. This ain't what I want, this ain't what we signed up for. This ain't I missed, see it in our mind's eyes. We know it's true, we gotta get it.
Nunca se queda, aún se maquilla. Traje de seda siempre se me guilla. Tan elegante, brilla como diamante. Esa arrogancia me marcha adelante. No hay que la pare y le ponga barrera. Dice que está dura como mi carrera. Salvaje en la jungla como una pantera. Se lleva su presa sin ninguna espera. Su amiga no llama y no le contesta. Como quiera sale, eso nunca la afecta. Un mensaje de texto, estoy pronto llegando. Si no estás aquí, seguiré comandando. Todos mirando se llenan de ilusiones, pero le dicen la rompe corazón. Siempre se encuentran estas situaciones, pero no me importa lo que ella me impone. Mamá, te invito a bailar, que no hay tiempo para charlar. Un traguito como que no da, todo pendiente por si te va. De que está conmigo, por cómo le doy castigo. Dice que no quiere amigo, no sé si sabes lo que digo. De que está conmigo, por cómo le doy castigo.
And voila! Once ready, serve your beef biryani with some rice. We've added a dash of food color for that extra visual appeal onto our rice. Pair it up with a crisp salad, a ripe banana, and wash it all down with your favorite juice. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later.
Cuando estoy contigo hace que me ciegue, pero solo pido con mi mente no juegue. No soy un juguete, quiere que te inquiete. Me pide que en la cama no te respete. Tu deseo te lo voy a cumplir y todo lo que quiero lo voy a conseguir. Mamá, te invito a bailar, que no hay tiempo para charlar. Un traguito como que no da, no estoy pendiente por si te va, está conmigo.
That's a wrap for today's kitchen adventure. If you enjoyed cooking along with us, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave us a comment sharing your biryani recipes. Which biryani is your absolute favorite? Could it be chicken, mutton, beef, or lamb biryani? Let us know on the comment section, and we'll see you on the next video. Happy cooking and goodbye.